Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? You're fine? That's good. I welcome you in my class, that is English for grade 1. We are learning Unit 3. Its title is My Family. Today is lecture 2, my dear fellow teachers. This lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation, worksheet links are given. You may click it, download it, follow it as it is or modify it for your convenience. I'm going to deliver my lecture according to this lesson plan. Yes, my dear children. Today's lecture 2, we learn about vowels and consonants, and we'll cover page number 26 and 27 of your book. Before this, in your English primer, you have studied about vowels. I hope you remember. If not, you may watch this video lecture again. And we'll learn further to cover the SLO, recognize and identify consonants and vowels in English alphabets. This is our today's SLO. Let's start with the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. The name of Allah starts with letter A. A is the first letter of English alphabets and it is a vowel letter. Yes, my dear students, you see, Allah's name is so beautiful. It starts with A, and A is the first letter. It's the first letter of Allah's name, and it is the first letter of English alphabets as well. And in English alphabet, there are few letters which are vowels, and A is one of them. So we learn about rest of vowels as well. Here is ABC. Do you remember all the letters? Can you recognize? So let's sing ABC song. All of you first sing ABC song with me, then we'll move further. Are you ready? Okay. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABC. Next time, won't you sing with me? Wow, nice. Beta, this is how all the letters of ABC, they are there. And they are all together. How many letters are there in ABC? 26. And out of these 26, 5 letters are vowel. And which 5 letters are they? A, E, I, O, U. These 5 letters are vowel letters. Okay, these are vowels. A, E, I, O, U. These are vowel letters. And from ABC, when we take these vowel letters separate, the rest of letters are called consonants. B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. All these 21 letters are consonants. They are consonants, and these 5 letters are vowel letters. Okay, so when we take vowels separate, rest of the letters are called consonants. Vowels, consonants, vowels, consonants. So vowels are A, E, I, O, U. Okay, so we just need to memorize these 5 letters. Rest are consonants, simple. So let's practice. A, oh, I clicked it quickly. So it's A, E, I, O, U. This is how you will practice. A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. This is how you will keep saying and doing it. A, E, I, O, U. Teachers, kindly pause the video over here. Make the children to say all the vowel letters like this. A, E, I, O, U. Okay, pause the video. Practice this. Yes, my dear children, are you done with it? Now you recognize all the vowel letters. Are you sure? Okay, so we are going to practice it from your book. Open your book on page number 26. As language focus, what you will do, identify and read vowels and consonants. We'll read in next next page. So you will identify vowels. Here the words are and here the letters are. You will keep saying these words and match these words with your relevant letter. Okay, and before that, before matching, you have to hold your pencil correctly. Remember, I told you we use these three fingers to hold the pens. These three fingers, okay, the way this child is holding. And teachers, I would suggest here the correct method of pencil holding is available on our website. I have given the link. If any of the child needs practice, you may watch this video with the child and make the child to practice, because holding pencil correctly is very important for children to write and to draw lines. So after holding your pencil correctly, children, what you will do, the word is here and the initial sound goes where? You will join it like this. Okay, so pause the video and complete it for all the words in your book. Yes, my dear children, are you done with it? Good job. It was simple and easy. Now the next is for consonant. Likewise, you will read the word and join the initial word with the relevant consonant. So pause the video, complete it. Yes, students, are you done with it? Good job. Now you recognize the consonants and vowels. Here is a very interesting activity in your book on page number 27. You will color the cone red if it has a vowel, and you will color the cone yellow if it has a consonant. So you will read the letter. If it is a vowel, you will read it, you will color it with red. And if it is a consonant, you will color it with yellow. Okay, so pause the video and complete this coloring activity. Yes, my dear children, are you done with it? Good job. So here is the time for your homework. You will trace your left hand in your notebook and write vowels on the fingertips like this. First you will trace your hand and then you will write the vowels letter on the fingertips. This is your homework, and here is a worksheet. My dear fellow teachers, this worksheet, lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation links are given. You may click it, download it, and kindly give a printed worksheet to students for practice. And students, what you will do? All the words have vowel in them. You will write vowels in circles. So you will read the word and all the vowel letters which are here, you will write in these circles. This is your work. So what we have done today, we recognized and identified vowels and consonant letters in English alphabets. And we drew slanted and curved lines in forward and backward. So in this way, we achieved our SLO to trace and draw horizontal, slanted and curved lines and curves forward and backward, and to recognize vowels and consonants. So that's it for today. Tomorrow I'll come again with a very interesting lesson. Till that time, keep learning and take very good care of yourself. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.